Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download UnitedHealthcare mobile app, registration guide step by step clearly. To download the UnitedHealthcare mobile app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type UnitedHealthcare and press search. Look for the official UnitedHealthcare app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app's ratings and reviews to ensure it is the official version. If you are satisfied, tap the download or get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen. Tap the UnitedHealthcare app icon to open it. You will be prompted to sign in or register for an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, look for the register option and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. You may need to provide your personal information such as your name, date of birth, and member ID. After entering the required information, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box and continue. Complete any additional steps required to verify your identity. Once your registration is successful, you will be able to log in to your new account. Explore the app to access your health information, benefits, and services. Now you are ready to use the UnitedHealthcare mobile app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.